Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fire TV Expert. If you've been looking for an easy way to enjoy anime on your Fire Stick, then today's video is definitely for you. I'll walk you through the entire installation process for Anime Scrap using the latest working downloader code. Don't worry if you've never installed a third-party app before. I'll guide you through every step, making the process quick and easy. Later in the video, I'll also share some of Anime Scrap's standout features and explain why I won't be opening the app during this tutorial due to YouTube policy guidelines and to help avoid potential strikes on the channel. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. From your FireStick home screen, move to the left, slide down, and select the search option. This will open the on-screen keyboard, allowing you to search for apps available on the Amazon App Store. Type downloader using the on-screen keyboard. If your FireStick remote supports voice search, simply press the microphone button and say downloader, and it should appear in the search results. Once you see downloader, scroll down and select it. Now click on the orange downloader icon and press the download button. Wait a few moments while downloader installs on your FireStick. After downloader has finished installing, we need to make one quick change in the settings so your FireStick can install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and open Settings. Next, select My Fire TV, then open Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, don't worry, this is completely normal. Simply open About, highlight your FireStick device name, and press the center button on your remote 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Now go back, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using a FireStick 4K Max or another newer Fire TV device, the menu may look a little different. In that case, just make sure the downloader app has permission to install apps. Once that's done, your FireStick is ready. Now let's open Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and open Apps. Scroll down until you find Downloader, then launch it. If this is your first time opening Downloader, allow the requested permissions and click OK. Before we install Anime Scrap, let me quickly tell you why so many anime fans enjoy using this app. Anime Scrap offers a clean, modern interface that's easy to navigate. You can browse different anime categories, search for your favorite series, and enjoy a smooth experience designed specifically for Android TV and FireStick devices. It also supports features like an external video player, picture-in-picture mode, and a TV-friendly layout for comfortable navigation with your remote. Now we're ready for the installation. Enter the latest working Anime Scrap downloader code exactly as shown on your screen. 4899911. Once you've entered the code, click Go. The Anime Scrap download page will now load on your FireStick. Once the page has loaded, the app will automatically begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. When the installation window appears, click Install. Wait while Anime Scrap finishes installing. Once it's complete, click Done. To save storage space on your FireStick, click Delete, then confirm Delete one more time to remove the APK file. Before opening the app, there's one recommendation I'd like to make. Whenever you're using third-party apps, it's always a good idea to use a VPN. A VPN helps protect your online privacy, keeps your internet connection secure, and can also help if certain apps or content aren't available in your region. I personally recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works really well on FireStick devices. If you'd like to install it, simply return to the search option, search for NordVPN, and download it directly from the Amazon App Store. After signing in, connect to a server before using third-party apps. And if you'd like to learn more, you'll find the NordVPN link in the video description. Now, let's take a quick look at Anime Scrap. Go back to the home screen. Move to the right and open Apps. Scroll down until you find Anime Scrap. Now, I won't be opening the app in this video because of YouTube policies and to avoid any potential strikes on the channel. However, I can still give you a quick overview of what you can expect. Anime Scrap features a clean and modern interface that's simple to navigate with the FireStick remote. The app lets you browse different anime categories, search for your favorite titles, and discover new series with ease. It also supports picture-in-picture mode and external video players, giving you a flexible viewing experience on compatible devices. Everything is organized in a user-friendly layout, navigation feels smooth, and the app is optimized to provide a great experience on larger screens. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed Anime Scrap on your Fire Stick. I hope this guide made the installation process easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fire TV Expert, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest Fire Stick tutorials, app guides, and helpful streaming tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.